Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good evening, boys. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. So let us summarize all the important points today's lesson. Today we started the exercise question answers of this lesson number 4, planning a story. So in the beginning, we have seen the two questions. What does Ben like doing and does he win? So let us give the answers of these two questions first. That what does Ben like doing? He likes to play judo, right? I'm going to show you the answers now. He likes doing judo. Okay. And the second question was, does he win? Yes. The answer, yes, he won. Then if we come down to the question number 2, read the story again and answer these questions in your notebook. So the first question is, where is the story set? Right. The answer of this question is at Ben's school and at his granddad's house. Means that where the story set, where is the plot of the story set? So at these two places we have seen, at Ben's school and at granddad's house, right? And who are the characters in the story? So there are Ben and his granddad, right? Those who interacted with each other. These are the two characters of this story. Third question is, what problems does Ben have? So he is worried about a big competition. He was nervous actually, right? So these were the problem that he was facing. Then we have how does he solve the problem? So he loses his granddad's silver trophy, which he thinks is lucky. This is how he solved the problem and he gained the confidence again, right? Then the question number 5, what happens in the end? So the possible answers can be that Ben wins the competition and gets his own trophy, right? And the possible answer for the question number 4 can be also that Ben decides he can win the competition without the lucky trophy. He finds the trophy under the bench, right? How does Ben solve the problem? So we can write these three answers. Sorry, these two answers for the question number 4. And the last answer for the question number 5, Ben wins the competition and get his own trophy. All right, let's move on. Then you see the question number 3 here. Look at the blue words below and find other words in the text that tell you when something happened. So these are the words in the blue you can find: after school, right? After Fajr, after Dohor. This is how they're telling us the time sequence. The next day, Ben felt confident. At last, the day of the competition arrived. These things, the sequencing word we can find in the lesson. So let me show you some other sequencing words in this lesson. The one day, just as, then, suddenly, finally, now. These are called the sequencing words, which you are going to write further on your notebook, right? Question number 3. Question number 4 is about the punctuation. Look at these sentences and add the correct punctuation. So these are the sentences. We are going to add the correct punctuation. This is how we can do it, right? Inverted commas. You did really well, he said. Here's your trophy, she smiled. That's brilliant, he exclaimed. Be quiet, she whispered, right? So you're looking at these punctuations. See this, then it's in inverted commas, a comma, and at the end we have a full stop. This is how we're going to punctuate these sentences. Do it right now on your book. Those who haven't completed during the class, right? They can complete it right now. All right, then the next question is over to you guys. And this is basically a writing strategy, and then make a story plan. You are going to write your own story. When you write a story, there are a few things that you need to plan, need to organize. That first make a plan, first to organize your ideas, and where it is set, and who are the characters, and how does it start and end. So how that you are going to write your own story. Instructions you can find here in question number 5, to think about for your own story, make notes under these headings, and then write your story. The way it is set, your story, we have seen here in the question answer that the Ben's story was set at the Ben's school and his granddad house. So you are going to write your own story. Who are the characters of your story, and what problems do they have, and how do they solve the problem? So it's up to you how you will write a story. Write the story and send me on my WhatsApp. So it is your today's task, and you can complete it on during the weekend as well, right? All right, so this is what we have done today. This is our today's exercise. All of you, you need to complete it on your notebook and on your books as well. So that's it for today. Have a good weekend ahead. I'll see you in the next class. Take care and goodbye.